Sam Altman signaled a seismic shift, declaring that the transformer architecture, the very foundation of ChatGPT and modern AI, is about to be replaced by a new, far more efficient system, potentially unlocking a leap as big as the original transformer itself. Simultaneously, the race to that future is already underway. Apple unveiled Leto, which reconstructs a fully realistic, lighting-accurate 3D object from a single image, while Inspatio's World FM enables AI to understand and generate stable 3D spaces in real time on a consumer GPU. Meanwhile, AI is escaping the chat box to take direct action. Manus launched My Computer to let an agent control your PC, and Z.AI released GLM-5 Turbo specifically for executing long, complex workflows. Adding to this, Mistral's new Leonstrel model can now formally verify and debug code, proving logic rather than just writing it. In short, the entire stack from core architecture to real-world interaction is being rebuilt right now. This is your tech rundown for the day, delivered at full speed.